Hi everyone, this is a quick video for anybody who wants to know a little bit more about our skin anatomy, where we want our products to go in our skin, our microencapsulation, and a little bit about what a derma roller can do for your skin. Okay, so let's start with a quick overview of our skin. Okay, so you can see here, we have the epidermis of your skin, the dermis, and then your fat cells and muscles. Okay, so this is all over your body. Right, so we'll start with the epidermis. This is roughly about 1 millimeter thick. Okay, this is a protective and waterproof layer. This is where your skin cells shed, and then at the base here is where we generate our new skin cells. Okay, so here we have the dermis layer. Now this is the layer of skin that we want and need to look after. We want this to stay thick, we want it to stay plump, and we want it to stay in structure. Otherwise, this happens. Okay, you know what these are? Wrinkles, sagging. Okay, so this is what we want to look after. So in your dermis layer, you can see you have two main structures. This is what's holding everything together. So those sort of reddy orangey ones, they're your collagen. Okay, so that's, you can see it holding up that area. The green, that's elastin, and the blue, they are hyaluronic. So hyaluronic is hydrating and plumping out the area. Okay, so your two proteins, your collagen, your elastin, they're the structure. Your hyaluronic is plumping everything out and the moisture holding on. Okay, so as we get older, you can see that our collagen starts to get thinner. It's not quite holding up there. Your elastin starts to break and your hyaluronic starts to deplete. We don't have as much in there. Okay, but no need to fear, we can help. So studies have shown that for elastin, the most effective way of helping that is from the inside, so taking vitamins. Now we'll get into this on another treatment, but on another video, but Hydroslim and even follicle food can help with your elastin levels. But as I said, we'll get to that another time. But for our collagen and for our hyaluronic, we can definitely help that. In fact, you guys know that we have lots of products that are full of collagen and we have our hyaluronic concentrate, so we can help. But we need to get our product through this epidermis layer, and into the dermis. Right, so here's something that you will probably want to write down and remember. Most cosmetic products don't, so this is everything that you can sort of get on the high street, they don't have the technology or the power to break through the epidermis layer. So all they do is they sit here, and they might make your skin feel a little bit softer, but that's all it's doing. To get a product to work mechanically with your skin, you need to be getting in to your dermis layer here. So we need to get through here. Which brings me to our microencapsulation, okay? So before we talk about rollers, we already have a way to break through that dermis layer, okay? So all of our products are microencapsulated. So this is basically a membrane around our active ingredient. Now that protects that first of all, so that we don't have to use any preservatives. So it protects our active ingredient, and then whilst it's in the manufacture stage, it is given a positive charge. Now what this means is when it gets to your skin naturally has a negative charge, so it acts like a magnet to get drawn deep within your skin to get to this level. Okay, so that's what our microencapsulation is doing. It's helping to penetrate through the epidermis, and it's protecting them at the same time. So where does a roller come in? Okay, so as we've just said, you know, we don't particularly need a roller because we can get through the epidermis with our microencapsulation. However, if you do want to take your skincare to a next level, you can use one of these. So as we mentioned before, the epidermis is roughly 1 millimeter thick. So if you're using a 1 millimeter roller, you can literally open up your epidermis, allowing the product and giving that product a helping hand to get into the dermis layer, so to get into those deeper layers. However, I would recommend that you just start with a 0.5 at first, till you get used to the sensation, and then you can move on to a 1mm, which is going to allow you to penetrate that. Not only is it helping to do that, but it is also stimulating down at the base layer of this epidermis, which, if you remember, we said that's where our new skin cell regeneration comes from. Okay, so it's going to stimulate that and make that happen faster. So rollers do can have a great part in our skincare routine, but you definitely don't need them. But we will be doing some trainings on how you can use this with our skincare to take it to the next step. All right, so guys, I hope you found this interesting. I hope I explained it okay for you. And yeah, I will look forward to our next trainings where we get creative with these and some of our treatments. All right, bye guys.